Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan and device compatibility because that prevents surprise charges. Check your operator app or call support to enable roaming now. Note any per day or per MB caps. Once enabled, make sure your phone's network mode and supported bands match the destination. This avoids no service issues. Then open mobile settings and switch on data roaming. And set a data cap or alert so you never exceed limits. This saves money and keeps connectivity predictable. Once connected, optimize how you use roaming to stretch your allowance. Manually select a partner carrier in network settings if automatic selection connects slowly or not at all. Choosing a known partner improves stability. Make sure you're on 4G/LTE to balance speed and efficiency, and immediately restrict background app data. This reduces surprise consumption. If you must tether, limit devices and use Wi-Fi assist only when necessary. Finally, keep the real-time data monitor open so you can adjust. To finish, proactively close your roaming session. Turn off data roaming and reconnect to Wi-Fi. This prevents continued charges. Make sure to review your carrier's usage and billing within 24 to 48 hours so any anomalies get flagged early. If you lose service or cannot register, reboot the device, toggle airplane mode, and try manual network selection. If that fails, contact the carrier with your IMEI and location details. These steps resolve most issues quickly and keep costs under control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.